You can qualify for up to $5 million on Amazon. Let me show you the news in today's video. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you 3 extra platforms you can go on to get a loan for your Amazon Seller Central business. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. All right, so here's the news. New term loan solution for eligible Amazon sellers. Everybody said they took away the loans. Well, they brought them back because they want to give you money and hopefully you get a good interest rate. We're excited to announce the new term loan from Uncapped, designed to help high revenue Amazon sellers support larger business needs. Available to eligible sellers on Amazon, blah, blah, eligible sellers can qualify for up to $5 million with flexible repayment terms of up to 18 months and an easy online application process that takes just minutes with a decision within 1 to 2 business days. Awesome stuff. We got 1 like down here. Awesome. So we can look at Amazon lending. So when you click on this link, it actually doesn't work. But I'm going to be showing you how to access the lending on your Amazon Seller Central just to see. So you're going to go to your Amazon Seller Central account and pretty much you're going to go to the search bar and you're just going to type in lending. And then it's going to come up with view offers and manage your loans. So you're going to click on this button and bada bing, you are going to get eligible access to a loan. I'm going to say more than 50% of the time if you're an Amazon seller and you're already generating sales. So it tells you how it works. You can click see financing options, click learn more, complete application, choose your financing options, and help meet your goals faster. So we're gonna click see financing options. Lendistry, they're gonna give us up to $33,000 and it expires in around 10 days. And this is a huge interest rate difference, either 8% or 18%. Right? So I'm really hoping it's going to be 8% if we go up to this, but the term is pretty awesome, up to 36 months. So up to 3 years that I have to pay this off. So awesome, competitive and affordable rates, apply without impacting your personal credit score, which is awesome. So you can just apply and then you don't have to accept it. So I think this is totally worth it. And you can click start application and try it out. I mean, it doesn't hurt your personal credit score. So I definitely give kudos to Amazon for implementing this. Now remember to say not today, Amazon, and look at other options as well before you just take the first loan that you find. Just because Lendistry is, you get approved for a loan and it's like 18%, look at other options first that also don't pull your personal credit, because you want to triple check. Can you get a better deal, a better loan, a bigger loan with less interest? If so, you should at least do a little bit of due diligence, apply for 3 loans, and then pick the one that suits your business the best. Let's see what other sellers are saying. So if we go back to the news right here, we can actually see there's 6 replies and we can double check what's everybody thinking. I won't comment on the wisdom of running your business on leverage on a platform that can seize your funds and goods at any time without recourse, but I will say that the new similar articles feature is less than useless. Interesting. I'd like to borrow $5 million, please. I hope it's as good as Amazon lending was. My largest loan was $1 million over 12 months. Although the interest was a little high, the ROI for my business was great. That's crazy. They gave $1 million. Well, yes, they said they're going to give you up to $5 million, so I'm sure it's going to be similar. Why don't you just release the funds held in reserve already? A month's inventory is kept with FBA, so that needs to reserve dollars. Interesting. I noticed a new news feature does not offer the option to comment on the most recent news articles. I'm sorry if we hurt your feelings by calling you out on some of the, so pretty much they're saying if you reply, some of them you can't reply on some of the news articles, but pretty much people are, somebody got $1 million in the past and it really helped their business. And then, so, you know, something's better than nothing. I'm glad Amazon's thinking about sellers. It's there if you want it. You could just apply, it doesn't hurt your personal credit score, see how much money Amazon will give you, and that way you can take it whenever you need it. It's great just to have this as an option, in my professional opinion, and kudos to Amazon for bringing back the loans program. Now, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm giving you 3 different options as well, other than just going on Amazon's platform and getting a loan from them, because I said it's important to have multiple options. Now, the one is Payability. So if we go to Payability, right, they've got pretty decent reviews, not too bad. So free access to your Amazon seller balance, right? So pretty much this is another way to get a loan. So check out Payability if you want a different option. On Deck offers term loans and lines of credit for your online e-commerce business. Small business lending that's fast and easy, right? So another platform you can check out. And then of course you have the SBA loans, which is directly from the US government. Now these usually have one of the lowest interest rates if you can get approved. And you can try to look this out, the loans of the US Business Administration. I do have a friend that got a loan from the US and it was 0% interest. Now I don't think they're offering that right now, but there is ways to get a low interest loan from the government as well. So don't, even though their platform's it's a lot more difficult to get a loan from them, I recommend to try. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you ever got a loan for your business and what the APR was, just to share it with everybody else so they know if they're getting a good deal or a bad deal. And if you did learn something in today's video, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description for more. And our #1 service is our full A to Z management service. We'll come in, we'll manage your entire business so you don't have to waste time on calling Amazon, managing your ads, customer service. We'll do it all for you and we'll help you increase your sales. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.